Apple fans, get ready. New leaks have surfaced, shaking up the tech community. This time, it's about the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4 and the next-generation iPad 11. Let's break it all down, dive into the leaks, and see what these upcoming devices have in store for us. A leak that sparked the buzz. According to reports from a reputable source, an anonymous leaker, famous for their spot-on predictions, has dropped major details on Apple's plans. Two devices, codenamed V59 and J481, are expected to launch alongside iOS 18.3. Later, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman clarified that V59 refers to the iPhone SE 4, possibly called the iPhone 16e, while J481 points to the iPad 11, Apple's upcoming entry-level tablet. This raises a big question. Could these products arrive sooner than expected? Let's dig into the timelines, potential specs, and how these releases might shake up the market. Release timing. A break from tradition? Historically, Apple has launched iOS updates like 15.3, 16.3, and 17.3 around late January over the last 3 years. Following this trend, iOS 18.3 is expected to debut around the same time. Speculation suggests that both devices could release simultaneously, possibly before January ends. However, there's a twist. Apple has traditionally launched its iPhone SE lineup in March or April, not January. So, why would Apple deviate from its pattern? Some industry experts suggest that the change might be linked to the EU's USB-C regulations. Apple recently discontinued sales of the Lightning port-equipped iPhone SE in the EU, so an earlier launch of the USB-C iPhone SE 4 could help Apple re-enter that market quickly. iPhone SE 4, a budget flagship in disguise? Let's talk about the iPhone SE 4, or should we say the iPhone 16e? The name change has sparked debates among tech enthusiasts, but one thing is clear. This device could be a game-changer in the affordable smartphone category. Design and display. Rumors suggest the iPhone SE 4 will adopt a design similar to the iPhone 14, featuring a sleek 6.1-inch OLED display. If true, this marks a massive upgrade from the current SE model's LCD display. And yes, Face ID is likely making its way to the SE lineup, ditching the traditional home button. Performance powerhouse. Under the hood, the SE 4 is rumored to pack Apple's latest A18 chipset, 8 GB of RAM, and even Apple's first in-house 5G modem. This means blazing fast performance, enhanced efficiency, and better network connectivity, all at a more affordable price point. Camera and features. The camera setup might include a single 48MP rear lens, delivering flagship-level photography. However, it's unclear if Apple will include features like the action button found on the iPhone 15 Pro. Still, these upgrades could position the SE 4 as the go-to choice for budget-conscious buyers who refuse to compromise on quality. Price point. Currently, the iPhone SE 3 is priced at $429 in the US. However, given the rumored hardware upgrades, we might see at least a $70 price increase, bringing it closer to $499. iPad 11. Evolution over revolution. While the iPhone SE 4 grabs most of the attention, the iPad 11 isn't far behind. Positioned as Apple's entry-level tablet, this device aims to deliver solid performance at an accessible price. Performance specs. The iPad 11 is expected to feature a new A-series chip, likely the A17 Pro, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This aligns it with other recent Apple devices designed to support Apple Intelligence, Apple's AI-powered suite of features. These upgrades will ensure smoother multitasking, faster app launches, and a future-proof experience for users. Design continuity. Don't expect a major redesign here. Reports indicate that Apple will stick with the same design language as the iPad 10, which launched in October 2022. While this might disappoint some, the real focus appears to be on internal improvements. Positioning in Apple's lineup. With the iPad mini 7 recently refreshed, the iPad 11 seems to follow a similar path, offering incremental upgrades without overshadowing the higher-end iPad Air or Pro models. MacBook Air surprise? Interestingly, the leaks also hint at new MacBook Air models launching before the iPhone SE 4 and iPad 11. These could include updated 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Airs powered by the M4 chip. If true, January might turn out to be an incredibly busy month for Apple enthusiasts. Why the early release? Assuming the leaks are accurate, why is Apple accelerating these launches? The most plausible explanation lies in compliance with the EU's USB-C mandates. By releasing a USB-C-equipped iPhone SE4 sooner, Apple can re-establish its presence in the European market without delays. Additionally, launching both devices alongside iOS 18.3 would streamline the software-hardware integration, offering a seamless user experience right out of the box. What does this mean for Apple fans? The rumored upgrades to both devices suggest that Apple is doubling down on making its budget-friendly lineup more competitive. Whether it's the iPhone SE4's near-flagship specs or the iPad 11's AI-ready hardware, these devices could redefine what we expect from Apple's more affordable offerings. Final thoughts. What's your take? These leaks, while exciting, should always be taken with a pinch of skepticism until official announcements are made. But one thing's for sure, 2024 is shaping up to be an exciting year for Apple fans. What do you think about these upcoming devices? Do you believe the iPhone SE4 will launch in January, or will Apple stick to its usual March timeline? And how do you feel about the potential name change to iPhone 16e? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and join the discussion. For more exclusive leaks and updates, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Link in the description. And as always, hit that like button, subscribe to Technology Review, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.